Is Sunday worship the ultimate betrayal of Jesus Christ? This question might sound extreme to some, but what if it's the truth? What if honoring Sunday as a holy day is more than just a harmless tradition? What if it's actually a rejection of something sacred to Jesus Christ? Let's go straight to Scripture. In Genesis chapter 2:3, at the creation of the world, God rested on the seventh day, Saturday, and blessed and sanctified it. This was not for Jews. This was not part of ceremonial law. This was before sin, before Moses, before Israel. The Sabbath was God's gift to all mankind. When God gave the 10 Commandments in Exodus 20:8-11, he said, "Remember the Sabbath day, to keep it holy. The seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God." This commandment wasn't written in sand. It was written by God's own finger in stone. That's permanent. Now consider Jesus Christ. He said in John 15:10, "I have kept my Father's commandments." In Luke 4:16, we're told that keeping the Sabbath was his custom. Jesus never broke the Sabbath. He never abolished it. He even said in Matthew 5:17, "Think not that I am come to destroy the law. I am not come to destroy, but to fulfill." And here's what many overlook. Even in his death, Jesus honored the Sabbath. He died on Friday, rested in the tomb on Saturday, and rose on Sunday after the Sabbath had ended. So again we ask, if Jesus kept the Sabbath in life, in death, and never changed it, who did? The answer is not in the Bible. It's in history. In 321 AD, Roman Emperor Constantine passed the first Sunday law. It stated, "On the venerable day of the sun, let the magistrates and people rest." This was not based on Scripture. It was based on sun worship. Later, the Roman Catholic Church officially changed the day of worship from Saturday to Sunday. They claim full authority for this change. Sunday is our mark of authority. The Church is above the Bible, and this transference of Sabbath observance is proof of that fact. Catholic Record, September 1, 1923. So here is the challenge to every skeptic, non-believer, and sincere Christian. Disprove that the Sabbath is the seventh day, blessed by God. Disprove that Jesus kept and honored the Sabbath. Disprove that the Catholic Church claims to have changed the day. Disprove that Sunday worship originated from Rome, not from the Bible. You can't. Now here's the real issue. If Jesus is Lord of the Sabbath, Mark 2:28, and we choose to honor a day he never blessed, never kept, and never commanded, are we honoring him or betraying him? Jesus said in John 14:15, "If you love me, keep my commandments." The Sabbath is one of those commandments. Ignoring it while claiming to follow Christ is a contradiction. So is Sunday worship the ultimate betrayal? If we knowingly reject Christ's command to follow the tradition of man, then yes, it is. In Mark 7:7-9, Jesus warned, "In vain they do worship me, teaching for doctrines the commandments of men. You reject the commandment of God that you may keep your tradition." Sunday worship may feel normal. It may be popular, but it isn't biblical. It's time to stop betraying Jesus with our worship. It's time to return to the truth.